Well, here we are, out early in the morning. By the look of this spillway over here, the way there's no water coming down it right now, that means it's below 100 cubic feet. So it's dramatically low. There was a good sized surface over there. Totally missed it. But the main reason why I stopped here on my adventure is because right here in the shadow of these trees, I've seen a couple fish surfacing. So we're out today. Oh, that's a cormorant. A dang cormorant's over there jacking with the fish. Anyways, I'm out today with the single speed again. We have the not TN Provo, but the Keiryu Rod Company's T100 with me today. And we're gonna work around in a couple sections with flies and different kind of streamers and see if we can get lucky on some fish. So let's see if we can have ourselves another one of those good keiryu adventures. The little rod holder I make that go on the back of these bikes are pretty neat. They're just made out of not bicycle, but this one's made out of kayak paddle piece. So it's kind of nice, real fancy carbon fiber looking. Let's go ahead and get this rod uncorked and get the leader put on it and start working and see if we can find something in here today. Made the change up to a bugger. This one's a traditional bugger with the hackle on it. I don't have enough rundown on this, so we'll just keep it like it is with the traditional T100 leader, topped out in 4X, I think is what we're on right now. I have a small pulsa indicator up top. That's just to help me keep track of things out there where I can't see in the dark. Oop, that was a fish. The tap that it gave me was rather small, so I highly doubt it was a bigger fish. Just got to keep it moving through there and look for any kind of hit in the backwards direction like that. Oh boy, that's a good fish. Right there. Oh. Come on, buddy. In the net. Woo. Feisty. Feisty as ever. Go ahead and lay that rod down. Oh boy. 7 and 8, 15. Beautiful looking rainbow. Later lady, she was feisty. She wanted that bugger. Well, I call that the searching pattern because you can search the water, and normally if a fish is hungry they'll come around for it. Oh, T100, you did wonderful. Let's see if we can find another one. Pretty nice to be able to land that fish without having to put my hands on the line or anything like that. And look, here we are running a 17'7" rod and about 6 inches long or so. 18 foot of line on a 17'7" rod, topped out with 4X. What a wonderful thing. Let's get back in there and get something else. But I know there's one on that other side, that's for sure. There's fish. Good fish. Oh yeah. No. Come on. Yeah, boy. In the net. Feisty. Off the bugger. Let's see what we got. Woo, woo, woo. Can you calm down for a second? 10 and 5, 15. These fish are just feisty and all about the same size. Now my hand's caught on my watch. Look at that beautiful rainbow though. Woo. Later, friend. Yeah. That makes 2 today on the T100 in this, I don't know, kind of raging water. Kind of raging water. That one came from the other side of the river. Over there where the foam is. Well, I didn't have the camera on, good thing I just checked. We got another one in the net. Another beautiful little rainbow. Off the hook. Looks like about 10 and 4, 14. Just gonna let it go. Get out of here. On to the next hole. It came from over there out of the current. I'll make another flip through over there just for fun, but I doubt it's gonna yield another one. There's fish. Nice. Caught that one with one hand in my pocket. Come back out of there. Jesus. It went back up underneath all the water. It's really trying to put a good sized kink in the rod here. Come here, friend. In the net. Off the hook, just what I like to see. 8 there and 7 there, another 15. Feisty and mean. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this nice fat one out of the net here. Nice fat cut bow. Later, friend. I just want to work in between these rocks in front of me here. Hoping that there's a fish hiding down in there somewhere, waiting on something to go by. Oh, there was. Oh yeah. Another feisty rainbow trout. Oh, that might be a brown trout. Really hard to tell. The dark, beat up looking rainbow. There we are off the fly. I guess I'm just gonna try to rest my rod. Ow! Right there. This fish is just all gassed up. Looks like it's had a little bit of a run-in with something trying to eat at it over here. Later, friend. Thanks for playing. Yeah, I knew there'd be a fish sitting there somewhere by those rocks. I just had to poke around a little bit. Didn't take but maybe 30 seconds or less there to hook and then land and everything. Really cooperative fish. There's fish. Oh boy, that's a good one. Oh, it broke us off. We won't speak of this. Well, I know I said I wasn't going to talk about that being broke off, but here we are, retied back up with the new olive leech pattern. This isn't a bugger, but it's a leech pattern. Just a big bead head on there. It's still topped out in 4X and running about 18 foot of line on a 17'7" rod. So let's work around and get to the other side and get on some more fish. Woo! Just drug my rod on the rock over there a little bit, but here we are, wading through the river, going straight over here to the other side, scaring all the cormorants out of here. Get out of here, you idiots. Quit jacking with the fish. Well, we made it to the other side, and usually I look down in all these drift piles and I find everything I want. This right here is part of an indicator, so we'll put it in our pocket, save it for later. I got a whole bunch at home. But here we are on this side. We're gonna cast back over here and work around this way into this. It's a little different bugger. It's a little bit lighter weight. I mean, leech pattern, whatever. It's olive marabou. This one has a little bit of hackle, bead head on like a size 14 or 16 hook. Real short shank one. So hopefully with some luck we'll find a fish in there that'll want it. Ever since I stopped using so many of these buggers, there's less of them in my fly box. And you kind of need to, you know, keep your box stocked. You never know the occasion. There may be a big fish just wanting one. Like that one that just broke me off just a second ago. Oh look, I finally get the fish in the shade. I swear there's going to be a fish in there. I could feel it. Not sure where, but I'm sure there's one in here. There's fish. And we're underneath the bridge, so we can't really apprehend it that easy. Well, the water just got deep, deep, deep over here. I guess we walk back this way a little more, keeping it kind of pinned. Good fish. Looks like rainbow trout. Come on, big feller. Oh, we missed. We missed. We didn't that time. We didn't miss that time. Woo, feisty. Feisty, feisty buddy there. Let's go ahead and drop that and drop that. Woo. Feisty as ever in that net. Go 9, 7, 15, 16-inch rainbow. Woo, beautiful fish. Feisty. Feel like it's been fighting somebody else. It's got a jacked up jaw. Yeah. Just pulled it right out of this in front of me here. Get off me, bee. I got a knot up there in my line or something. There's another fish. Woo! This is a small one. Don't confuse it for not having to fight. Come here, little friend. It's all over the place. In the net, out of the net. I may just go buy a new net. Like, I'm enjoying using this one and have for years. It's just, it don't move through the water very gracefully. Super feisty, beautiful little rainbow. Yeah. Come on, click. 3. There's another good fish. Oh boy. This one was back down our distance. We'll boat it up to us. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, off the hook. That's a feisty 13 or 14 inch rainbow right there. Oh boy. Alright, moving on. Looked away for a second. Oh boy, come back here. Man, I looked away for just a second. This fish came out of nowhere where I was looking as I was thinking about getting down here and getting on this island. But instead, no, come back here. Now come up here to the surface, let everybody take a look at you. Nice, like 17. Oh, 16, 17-inch rainbow. Feisty female, oh boy. I'm willing to bet she thought that was just a leech. Woo! 10, 7, 17, 16-inch rainbow. She's feisty and she's 17 inches. Hey, 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 come on. You're not doing it. Let me do it fast enough, fish. Look at that beautiful rainbow trout. Woo. Later, lady. Jeez, just so gassed up. Man. Well, that's how the situation goes around here. Thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. And hopefully you enjoyed this keiryu tenkara rod adventure. Because I know I have. I'll see you guys on the next one.